Once, in a busy city full of winding alleyways, there lived a pocket cutter named Taro. He was quick and smart, making a living by stealing wallets and valuables from people. Even though he was good at what he did, Taro felt an emptiness inside that his stolen money couldn't fill. One evening, under the dim light of a street lamp, Taro spotted an old man in simple clothes walking peacefully. The man's calm manner caught Taro's attention, and he decided to rob him. As Taro moved closer, ready to make his move, the old man turned around and smiled kindly. "Good evening, young man. How can I help you?" Startled, Taro paused. He hadn't expected such a warm and welcoming response. I was going to rob you," he admitted, feeling a strange sense of shame. The old man introduced himself as Master Hiroshi, a Zen monk known for his wisdom. "Why would a young man like you choose such a path?" he asked gently. Taro, feeling a strange sense of trust, confessed, "I am a pocket cutter, but I want to change. I feel trapped by my bad habits. Can you help me?" Master Hiroshi nodded and invited Taro to visit him at his temple. The next morning, Taro arrived at the peaceful temple grounds, where he found the master caring for a small bamboo grove. "Taro," Master Hiroshi began, "do you see this grove? Each bamboo stalk is like a habit. Some are young and easy to bend, while others are old and stiff. Which do you think is easier to change?" Taro pointed to a young shoot. "The young one, of course." "Exactly," Hiroshi said. "Habits like bamboo are easier to change when they are young. But even the old and stiff ones can be changed with patience and care." Curious, Taro asked, "But how do I start changing my habits when they are so deep?" The master handed Taro a small, sharp knife. "Start by cutting away at the roots, one by one. Each root you cut is a small step towards change. It will be slow and careful work, but with persistence, even the strongest habits can be changed." Taro took the knife and began cutting away at the roots of a tall bamboo stalk. It was hard work and required patience. As he worked, Master Hiroshi gave him gentle guidance and encouragement. Days turned into weeks, and weeks into months. Taro found that as he cut away at the roots of his bad habits, they began to lose their hold on him. He replaced his old ways with new, good habits, like helping others and practicing mindfulness. And the moral of the story is that even when we feel trapped by our bad habits, there is always hope for change. Like the bamboo, habits start small and are easier to manage when young, but even the strongest and most deeply rooted habits can be transformed with patience and persistence. By taking small, deliberate steps and seeking wisdom and support from those who have walked the path before us, we can gradually cut away the roots of our negative behaviors. This journey of self-improvement requires dedication and effort, but it leads to a more fulfilling, peaceful, and meaningful life. It teaches us that true transformation is not only possible, but also within our reach if we are willing to work for it.